watch out for that. That way you don't waste 30 minutes trying to figure out how to get it out. What's going on, everybody? So today we're just going to do a quick video. Never done this before, so I just wanted to go ahead and put it out there just in case there's somebody else that's done. There's a few videos on YouTube that I've seen do it, but we're going to take these camber adjustment bushings for these F150s and put it on because this truck has cut front springs and a flip kit in the back. So it's got a wheel shake at like, 50, 55, and then it goes away. But we're going to try to put these in today, and we're going to see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see, there's the bushing. I hope you guys can see. I've got the flash on the camera just to try to give me some light too. So all you got to do is break loose this bolt, make it easier on yourself, and spread this split apart. And then, in theory, that bushing should just pop right out. I've seen there's one guy that just took a socket and just took the socket and spun it off. So I'm probably going to try that. So I'm actually gonna, well, I didn't roll the windows down, so I can't unlock the key to turn the wheel anymore. So we'll just see what happens. I think that other side's either a 9/16 or a 14. Or 15. Cool. Probably gonna have to move the camera around to, that's where my impact's gotta go. Really don't like using extensions, but if you're gonna use one, might as well use a chrome one. I'm not sure how loud that is for y'all, but it's loud for me. It's probably too big to fit in here. Oh yeah, she moved. I don't think that guy said what size it was, but she's pretty big. Maybe a 30, probably even bigger than a 30. Here's a 36. Let's see what that does. Oh, it's even bigger than a 36. I don't think I have anything bigger than a 36. But for some reason, I have an 1.5 inches. Oh man, look at that. I like it. I don't really know why I have that socket, but I'm glad I do. See if I can. Oh, look at that. Whoa. And it's definitely coming up. Ain't coming up no more. Pry bar. That was too big. Let's see. Got one good flat screwdriver. Oh, look at that. Would you just look at it? Just look. Oh, bent my dust cover. Oh, now why? You gonna go up that far and then stop? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put on a pair of gloves, not because I care about getting dirty, but because I'm gonna go eat. Should I try the socket again? Or is that just gonna run it right back down in it? Got it. Now, instead of doing both sides at one time, probably need to do one side first. I wish I had some Scotch-Brite to clean that up with. Oh, I have Scotch-Brite. I forgot that shaft's right in the center of it. Now, spray with a little bit of PB Blaster. And then we're going to set these new ones in. So I have no idea. I know the wheel's set in. So I guess that means I need to have it as far out as possible. That would be like this. Like that. Alright, because that would be, let's put it at an angle like that. I don't know. I've never done this before. I'm not a Ford guy. Oof. If I can just get it to sit down in there. Oh, not like that. Alright, let me find a socket that'll fit over this so I can get it tapped in. It's gonna be a big one again. Yeah, that 36 come in handy for something. So we're just gonna put this like that, that like that. I'm gonna shove that like that. Try to hold this with one hand and get it started just like that. I guess that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't really know. It's a little rocky on this lift. I've got it spread out as far as it'll go, but I'm not a fan. It's going down in there. It's a little off from where I wanted it. I honestly don't know if it's... I think I'm looking at it right. I'm trying to make sure I'm not looking at it backwards. That way I've got the angles on it right, because that bottom one I feel like is going to be hard to turn if I ain't got it close. You guys can still see that, can't you? A little high for me, but this is for you guys, not me. Forked. This other one had, some adjustment to it. Like you can see, it's an offset bushing, but this is what they always say to go to. That's what everybody on the internet says to go to. So that's what we went to. So let's put this tire back on and roll her back down and see what she looks like. Alright, now we're back over here on the driver's side. I'm going to spray a little bit more PB Blaster on it because I didn't have the tire off the last time I sprayed it. I think it needs a new dust shield over here. This truck really ain't even all that rusty. What? Something's got like a guide on it to where it has to stay right there. Weird. It's on the bolt. Little everywhere. Now I gotta remember where I put everything. Oh man, this one's opposite. Ah, crap. And if you guys don't have one, or ain't ever used one, these little stubby Milwaukees. Oh, let me There we go. These little stubby Milwaukees are awesome. This works out good doing videos like this because I talk to myself all the time. So now I can just talk to you guys and I don't sound like I'm 100% crazy if somebody walks up because I can just be like, yeah, I'm doing a video. That's why I'm talking, not just because I'm talking to myself. Oh, what's the ADHD talking? Oh, ow. I did that the last time too. You think I'd learn? Joke's on me. If that was loud, I apologize. I just smacked myself in the face. That would have been great on camera. Oh. Mm. That was a dead punch right to the eye. Oh. That's gonna feel good in the morning. But I bet it's a little bit more open now. Oh, my face. That hurt. Oh. This one's different. That's why. Why is this one different? This one ain't got like a socket head on it. I don't want to use the crowbar again. So I just hurt myself with it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be rough. Freaking 7 o'clock in the morning, already muggy. Over it. Now let's take a look. I think it was a U shape. I'm gonna be so mad if that is, because there wasn't a single video on YouTube. Oh, you kidding me? Why did nobody warn me about that? Wasn't a single person that showed that. So maybe this will help somebody else out. Ow. Yep. Check that out. Freaking U shape. So the bolt goes through there and keeps it to where it won't spin, I guess, and come out. That is why it wouldn't come out. So make it short and sweet. If you have a, what is it, 87 to 96, whatever years these are, F150s, that you're doing the camber bushings in, watch out for that. That way you don't waste 30 minutes trying to figure out how to get it out. Alright. Got that little temper tantrum out of the way. Man, my face wouldn't be hurting and all that if I just took that freaking bolt out. Ow, squished my finger. I'm not even going to Scotch Brite that side. Screw it. It's just getting this put in. I'm about tempted to not use a socket because it really messed up the edges of this bushing. So I think I'm just going to take the mallet and see if I can ram it in with the mallet. And if that don't work, I'll just use a hammer. I do not care at this point. Oh. Probably got to turn the volume down on that video for y'all because that was loud. Got to turn just to her. So we're going to turn just to her. To be it. And we can put this back on. Ram this back home. Oh, I can't. I don't know why I can't turn that wheel. I can do it on my Chevrolets. This Ford says, not today. Torque. I'll eventually get a dust cover for this. Ow. But it's not going to happen today. It's not going to happen tomorrow. This is all about just getting these bushings in and getting done, getting it back out of here. Quick in and out job. Whoa. All right, let's get this tire put back on. Well, just did the first drive with the camber bushings from Moog. Man, truck does great. It got rid of the shake at 50 mile an hour completely, so I am happy with that. So I guess the next thing is going to be probably trying to find the leak on the AC system, because I put a brand new AC compressor, dryer lines, a few of the lines. I didn't replace like the evaporator and everything up front, the condenser. So that'll probably be the next thing, is trying to find that leak, and then we'll just keep on making this truck better until we either decide if we're going to sell it or keep it.